let's take a look at this example. Again, the numerator is my u. The denominator is my v. So I have u equals 2x cubed. U prime is equal 6x squared. Next, v is equal 7x to the fifth plus x minus 2. V prime is equal 7 times 5 is equal 35 x to the fourth plus 1. Next, we're supposed to use the formula for quotient. So I have y prime is equal v. Okay, this v. V is equal 7x to the fifth plus x minus 2 times u prime, which is 6x squared, minus u 2x cubed. 2x cubed times v prime, which is 35x to the fourth plus 1. Everything over v squared. So 7x to the fifth plus x minus 2. Okay, next we're supposed to organize a little bit the numerator. So if y prime is equal 6x squared times 7x to the fifth is equal 42x to the 7. 6x squared times x is 6x cubed. 6x squared times negative 2 is negative 12x squared. I have minus 2x cubed times 35x to the fourth is minus 70x to the 7 minus 2x cubed. Everything over 7x to the fifth plus x minus 2 raised to the second power. Of course, we're supposed to raise this one to the second power 2. Okay? So next we're supposed to organize the numerator. So if y prime is equal, we have like terms in the numerator, so that's why we have to combine them. So I have 42x to the 7th power, and I have minus 70x to the 7th power. This is equal to negative 28x to the 7th power. And I have 6x to the third and negative 2x to the third. This is equal positive 4x to the third. And I have minus 12x to the second. Everything over 7x to the fifth plus x minus 2 to the second power. And this is my solution to this problem.